and open the box. Samsung 980 Pro 1TB NVMe SSD PCI Express Gen 4, Intel Core i9-12900K 16-core processor, NVMe heatsink that Newegg gave away with the 980 Pro. And here we are. This was a hard motherboard to get. Asus ROG Strix Z690-A Gaming Wi-Fi D4 motherboard. This is a DDR4 motherboard that has all the features of a DDR5 motherboard. It's just DDR4. See there, PCI Express Gen 5. Pretty cool stuff. And here is my build for 2022, guys. Also, check out that case, Corsair 5000D Airflow. Be ready for my custom loop here in a couple months.